They just hit the dock.
That's our camera guy down at Black Point, Rick, and apparently we just missed it. It happens all the time to us. We're filming one boat coming up, and while we're filming that boat, somebody else hits the dock, and of course we missed it, but now we've moved over to these guys. Let's see if they can accomplish the task they set out to start, but failed the first time. Welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point Marina. Our guy's definitely coming in a little wide right here. So Cap's gonna have to back it up again. I'm kind of confused at what he's attempting to pull off now. Are we gonna do the full-on U-turn? Are we gonna back into this ramp? Maybe we are. There we go, trying to get it around, but he's gonna be wide again. Gotta watch out, he's gonna hit the boat in front of him. And these guys, when you watched him hit the dock, you know he's gonna be close. Somebody's gonna be on the ready. Here we go, now our guy's gonna come running across the boat like, yeah. Let's watch it, but Cap gets it back under control real quick. And I mean, they took the long way around, but it looks like they're finally going to get somebody on the dock. And there we go. And I always get nervous. These bow rails are so tricky. The amount of people we see fall in tripping over a bow rail is absolutely crazy. So our guy, he's looking like he wants to pull a leap off. Oh man, he's gonna stand on the rail. And he makes it. That one always is nerve-wracking to me. That's like a 50-50. It could go either way. But now Cap will get the assist he needs to get the boat over to the dock. Wifey goes for the first toss. Toss number 2 misses. Number 3 no-go. And finally, there we go. On the 4th try, she'll get it. And now she's gonna, oh, hang on. She's gonna pull it back in tight, but he'll come in a little softer than I thought. I thought for sure for a minute that was gonna ricochet right back into the dock hard. And our guy in this black truck has been struggling to get this trailer down. It's a busy day. He's had a couple other vehicles kind of cut him off a little bit as well, but this is like his 3rd attempt at trying to get this trailer back down here. You can just barely see the bed of the truck in between the boats right this second. And doesn't like that approach either. Gonna have to pull it forward again. Slowly trying to make his way down, but the struggle is real for this guy, though, trying to get it back down the dock. Kind of some tight quarters, though. Got himself into a little bit of a tight spot, but there you go. He's getting himself out. Looks pretty good now. And just about has the trailer in the water. But doesn't like that. I think he's back in drive. So he's going to try and put it in a different spot. But this is kind of what he's been dealing with too. Once again, you can see the vehicles going in front of him. It's kind of been just tight quarters down here today, as it's another busy day at the boat ramp. Getting it straightened out to the way they want it. And it's going to turn sideways on him at the last second. I bet he's going to have to reline this one up again. Yeah, completely sideways. Gonna have to pull out one more time. So this is like attempt number 5 to try and get the trailer in. And almost again, they're getting it sideways. Got to bring it back around. And we're going to have to go forward one more time. But hopefully you can get the right angle from this one and you'll be able to get it buttoned up this time. No, he's starting the wrong way. Quickly catches it, turns the wheel back. And there we go, kind of getting it right. And our guy on the dock kind of telling him where to turn the wheel to try and give him the right direction. And there we go, looks good now. And I believe he's got it this time. And our guy will go stand on the tongue of the trailer. They're pushing the boat over, and they should be able to get it loaded up from here. It might be a hair deep, though, just with the way the stern of the boat's floating over the trailer. We'll see once they start to winch it on if it actually kind of levels itself out, though. And our next guy on approach to the dock, coming in solo cap, always a tough dock. Coming in kind of a funky angle, the guy on the dock grabs him. He's gonna leave the helm, stern's kicking out. Double checks it to make sure he's not in gear. And there we go, gonna toss the line over. And that should be good to get him put up and be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.